Bonjour and welcome back. You've already learned greetings, numbers, polite expressions, and the days of the week. Today, we are adding some colors to your French. Literally, let's learn the basic colors. Let's get started. So, in the first part of this audio, we will learn the essential colors, few very essential colors. So, the first one is rouge, which means red. Bleu, blue. Jaune, yellow. Let's repeat these three together. Rouge, bleu, jaune. Great job. Now, let's add a few more colors to your vocabulary. Vert, green. Noir, black. Blanc, white. Orange. That's the easy one. It sounds almost the same in French as well. Let's repeat these four together. Vert, noir, blanc, orange. Excellent. Now, let's use these colors in a simple sentence. To say the color is, you say la couleur est. La couleur est, which means the color is. For example, la couleur est rouge. That means the color is red. So let's repeat with a few colors. La couleur est bleue. La couleur est verte. La couleur est noire. Wonderful. You just described colors in French sentences. Let's do a quick review. I'll say the color in French. Try to remember what it means. Rouge. That's right. Bleu. It's blue. Vert. That's green. Orange. That's orange. Jaune. That's yellow. Bravo. You now know the 7 colors in French. Look around you today and try naming the colors you see in French. À demain. See you tomorrow for another lesson.